Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. So in this video I will be showing you how you can actually change your nickname in Minecraft. So I will be showing you in multiple launchers and in the original Minecraft as well. So first of all, let's get ahead and open our browser and go for any launcher that you would like to use. For example, T launcher. I will show you how you can actually download it by clicking on here and then choose whatever version of you have Windows or Mac or Linux. You can use whatever of these, and then you have to go to sign up, and from here you can put your name that you will be using in your account. For example, let's name ourselves something like that, and here you put the email and then like that and then like that. So that's how you can, for example, change your name by creating a new account. The second method, which is by just going to T launcher and without signing in with the account, you can just it looks like you have already one to start. Okay, let's click on OK and wait for this one to be opened. So just like any other launcher, you don't have to sign up for this. You just come here and change your name. Very simple. You can here change your name to whatever it is, and yeah, that's how you can actually change your name, and you will be entered to the game normally. The third thing, which is some launcher that is different than T launcher, the T launcher version of Minecraft, which is the Shikinima launcher. I really don't know how to spell this word, but anyway, you can come here and put whatever username. You can save it also, you can delete the username. There's a lot of options, and click on play and then enter the game. And for the original Minecraft, you can just go into your websites. I don't have a real one, so I will just do the steps, which is connecting to your account, and then go to settings and then go to change my nickname. Of course, you can't change your nickname after like any second. You have to wait. Every time you change your nickname, you will have to wait about 30 days or 60 days, like 2 months or 1 month, I think, around this time period. So yeah, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.